Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you Photoshop styles and combining them with smart objects. Now first thing to do, just quickly go and select a shape, and I'm just going to use it as a shape layer and apply it like that. Maybe a circle, so I'm going to hold the shift down, probably better because I want to use it that way. So select that style or that one. Now these ones are available on the Graphic Extras website, but of course you can use any kind of style as well. So what you can do, if you want to, you can see layer and layer style, and it's just made up of inner glow and an outer glow. Now what you can now do is just go to a layer and smart objects and convert to smart object. So it's been converted. So smart object, see it down here. What you can then do, you can add some more. So I'm just going to quickly go to layer styles, and I'm going to go for a gradient overlay. And what you can do, this one is a radial design with difference and just using one of just default gradients there. So you can move that around, you can see, create an interesting, more sort of like 3D like effect and modify the actual highlight there. Just going to see at that point. Now once you've actually done that, what you can do, you can also just quickly turn that into a smart object as well. So layer and smart objects, convert to smart object. And then I'm just going to resize it a bit. I don't want to keep it like that, because what I want to do is just quickly add it to a row, column. So not a row, I'm going to go for a column. And just add that down there. And again, now I could actually just select that whole lot and again go for layer and smart objects, convert to smart object. And again resize that, just put it there. I can also add a style to that as well. So I can just go to layer, layer style and gradient overlay, or one of the other ones as well, and you can move that around and just create some very unusual combinations. You can also of course just use other gradients, don't have to use just the default one. So just move that around. I'm going to go for that. What you can do then, hold the Alt down and you can duplicate that as well. And these are all vector designs, so you can actually just keep, obviously modify and resize it. So I've actually made it a bit smaller, and I can then just select all of those and again a layer and smart object, convert to smart object, and it's still all editable. So you can actually go back all the way through. It takes a bit of time, it's not particularly, you can just click all the way through, and now you've got a wonderful background just made up of, well, ostensibly a single style, but obviously with additional gradients added on top of that via this layer style. And you can of course do the same again, the gradient overlay, and maybe modify that, and you can move that around and change the effect again. And of course you don't have to go with radial, you can always go for linear, modify that just to change the colour of the design. Click OK. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.